In today's show, the Bitcoin average transaction value increases 500% since July, and now the average Bitcoin transaction is now worth more than $150,000. That's right. Check this out. The average transaction value was sitting at approximately $25,000 per transaction 4 months ago, but posted a yearly high yesterday at $151,000 per transfer, representing an increase of more than 500%. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also, breaking news, PayPal to offer crypto payments starting in 2021. The rumors are now finally confirmed. That's right. Check this out. PayPal announced on Wednesday its entry into the crypto market. According to multiple reports, including Reuters, who recently tweeted, PayPal joins the crypto market, allowing customers to buy, sell, and hold virtual coins, including Bitcoin, using the company's online wallets. As you can see, this is a published article from Reuters. So why is it a big deal for PayPal to enter the Bitcoin space race? Well, for starters, there's 346 million users, 26 plus million merchants, making them the 20th largest bank by deposits. Now, between PayPal, Square, and Grayscale, it's safe to assume that all the remaining BTC will be scooped up by public companies. And it doesn't stop there. Check this out. More breaking news. A publicly listed UK company just announced it will place 10% of its cash reserves into Bitcoin as part of its treasury investment strategy. So as you can see, there's massive bullish news in the Bitcoin market. Also, Bitcoin just broke that critical 12K resistance and we zip right past it, but it's meaningless unless the bulls flip it into support. In today's show, we'll be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin is up 4% for the day. Most of the major altcoins are back in the green, but where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, leveraging other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, then smash that link right below this video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. Let's kick it off by diving into today's top story of the day. We have lots to discuss. Bitcoin average transaction value skyrockets 500% since July, making the average Bitcoin transaction now worth more than $150,000. That's right. The average value of Bitcoin transactions has increased dramatically since July this year. You can say that again. The average transaction value was sitting at approximately just $25,000 per transaction 4 months ago, but posted a yearly high just yesterday on October 20th at $151,000 per transfer, representing an increase of more than 500%. Not too shabby, wouldn't you say? Now, the latest spike has shown the crypto analytics platform BitInfoCharts data saw the average value of the transaction increase almost $50,000, up from $105,000 in the last 48 hours. As you can see right here on your screen, this surge in transaction value comes shortly after Bitcoin's trading dominance rose to levels not seen since 2017. That's right, the $151,000 average value is 190 times more than Ether's value transaction, which is currently sitting at $793, suggesting a significantly greater institutional presence in the Bitcoin markets. That's right, there's more institutional adoption occurring right now than in the history since the inception of the king of all crypto. However, the number of Ethereum transactions increased by 30% amid the DeFi boom in August, reaching a 2-year high of 1.29 million on August 10th. And over the same period, BTC transactions consistently hovered between 300 and 350,000, suggesting the Ethereum ecosystem was the primary magnet for new crypto users. Now, the number of Bitcoin active addresses also showed no significant changes, fluctuating between 650 and 970,000 over the last 4 months, as you can see right here on your screen, showing the daily Bitcoin transactions. The source is BitInfoCharts. Now, accumulation figures show that institutional investors are starting to take notice as larger investment firms like Grayscale and MicroStrategy increased their accumulation of large amounts of Bitcoin and other cryptos over the past few months. By the end of September, Grayscale controlled at least 449,900 Bitcoin Bitcoin, or 2.4% of the current BTC supply, and MicroStrategy owned 38,250 BTC. Then 2 weeks later, Jack Dorsey's Square purchased 4,709 BTC, worth approximately $50 million into Bitcoin. That's right. So as you can see, we have massive institutional demand, and we're just getting started. And before I break down our next breaking story of the day, PayPal to offer crypto payments starting in 2021. Yes, the rumors are now fully confirmed, but first let's take a look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin now above $12,300, up 4.5% for the day. Let's go BTC. It's great to see Bitcoin finally break that critical 12K resistance. Where we go from here, let me know in the comments right down below where you think we're heading. We have Ethereum up 2.8%, trading at $380. Miss Litecoin in the forest green, up over 5%, trading just below $50. XRP up 1.6%, trading just below 25 cents. We have ADA up about 0.5%, trading at about 10.4 cents. We have BNB up about 0.5%, trading just above $29. We have Satoshi Vision, Bitcoin Cash, and as you can see, most of the major altcoins back in the green. I love to see Bitcoin continue to climb. I feel once we can break 14,000, then it's off to a new price discovery mode. I feel we will cross $20,000 all-time high here in the fourth quarter of 2020. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments right down below. All right, now for our next breaking story of the day. PayPal announced on Wednesday its entry into the crypto market. According to multiple reports, PayPal customers will be able to use cryptos to shop at any merchant in its large network starting from early 2021. The company said this is a pretty big deal, right? The payments will be settled through fiat currencies, similar to many existing crypto merchant solutions like BitPay. This means that the merchants will be receiving fiat as PayPal will take care of the conversion. Now, this is what's interesting. The coins initially supported will include not just the king of all crypto, Bitcoin, but as well as Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. The company said the payments giant partnered with Paxos to deliver the service, and it obtained a conditional crypto license from the New York State Department of Financial Services, commonly known as BitLicense. And in addition to the crypto payments, PayPal users will also be able to purchase crypto directly through the app. Just like the Cash App, it seems. PayPal will thus feature a crypto wallet, letting users buy, sell, and hold crypto via the PayPal apps. Now, caution, even though all this sounds great, if you're a hodler, do not let PayPal hodl your crypto, especially your Bitcoin. If you don't control the private keys, then it's not your Bitcoin. Keep that in mind. PayPal is one of the largest global payment providers with 346 million active accounts. Holy moly, and 222 billion in volume processed in quarter 2 2020. Now, this is obviously extremely bullish news when you have over 300 million users that will have access to be able to purchase Bitcoin, which is the gateway to all crypto. You could only imagine how fast the Bitcoin price is going to climb as a result of all this massive adoption from ordinary people. Also, keep in mind that PayPal was one of the initial members of the Libra Association, though it subsequently dropped out after regulatory pressure mounted for the project. Rumors of a planned crypto integration surfaced earlier this year. The company is nevertheless often criticized in crypto circles due to perceived unfair practices and the amount of control it has within its own network. That's right, I'm not a fan of PayPal whatsoever. They've shut me down for accepting affiliate commissions from ClickFunnels. They deemed ClickFunnels a scam, and they said you cannot touch your funds for at least 6 months. So I don't do business with shady businesses like PayPal. However, I still feel this is super bullish news for the Bitcoin and crypto markets, and it is what it is. Now check it out. It's also reported by Reuters. Their headline right here on Twitter: PayPal joins the crypto market, allowing customers to buy, sell, and hold virtual coins, including Bitcoin, using the company's online wallets. And this is the published article from Reuters. I'll include all this in the show notes below the video in the description. And Ryan Selkis points out some good facts. PayPal joins the Bitcoin space race, 346 plus million users. Don't get more bullish than that. 26 plus million merchants and the 20th largest bank by deposits. And while we're on the topic of massive institutional demand, more breaking news. Another company, this is a UK publicly listed company, announced it will place 10% of its cash reserves into Bitcoin as part of its treasury investment strategy. So what's happening in the market right now is a pretty big deal. As you can see, there's so many bullish signs from the universe. And before I break down our next story of the day, Bitcoin price rally to 12K is meaningless unless the bulls flip it into support support. First, let's take a look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting at 375 billion with 100 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current BTC dominance is still on the rise at 60.9% according to CoinMarketCap. And now checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have Ample Fourth up 10%, trading just over $1. Decentraland up 7%, trading at 7.2 cents. Waves up 7%, trading just above $3. Blockstack up 5%, trading at 16.7 cents. Tron up 4.7%, trading at 2.6 cents. And Cybervein up 4%, trading at 12.6 cents. And now checking out the biggest losers in the top 100 in the past 24 hours, we have Numeraire down 10%, trading at $25. ABC Coin down 9%, trading at 54 cents. Zcash down 8%, trading at $60. Neem down 7%, trading at 10.4 cents. And Filecoin down 6%, trading just below $30. And now checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are obviously back in control, leading with about 87 million in superiority in the last 24 hours, with longs leading 52.1% versus 47.8% shorts. Are you currently bullish or bearish on the king of all crypto? Holla at your boy. And now checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 61 in greed. Yesterday was a 56 greed, last week a 53 neutral, and last month a 48 neutral. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And before I break down our next story of the day and we do some Bitcoin technical analysis, first I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description. That's right, click that for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 570 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video to help support the channel. If you're listening or tuning in on a different platform outside of YouTube, the direct YouTube link is cryptonewsalerts.net. You can also find us on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also find us on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is cryptonewsyes. And yes, I'm very active on crypto Twitter. And for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy with over 17,000 cryptopreneurs just like yourself from all over the world. To become a part of it, simply click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Just yesterday on Tuesday, the Bitcoin bulls mustered enough strength to push Bitcoin price slightly above that $12,000 mark, a level not seen since September. The move occurred after Monday's high volume surge to 11,800, followed by continued buying into Tuesday, providing enough momentum for the bulls to push above the ascendant channel to 12,000. The rally to 12K was also accompanied by soaring volumes across the top Bitcoin futures exchanges on Monday through Tuesday, and earlier this week, Cointelegraph reported that the most recent CME Commitment of Traders report shows institutional longs reached a record high. That's right, as you can see right here on your screen. And at the start of the week, traditional markets took a hit as investors feared a stalemate between Democrats and Republican lawmakers, and Congress would prevent the passing of a second round of economic stimulus aimed at alleviating the financial pressure placed on small businesses and Americans in need of a second stimulus check. Keep this in mind, regardless if a Democrat or Republican wins, the Fed will always win and the money printer will continue to go. Just saying. Now, fortunately, by today's market closure, the Dow and S&P 500 and NASDAQ wrapped the day with marginal gains. Bitcoin's recent price action has been somewhat dislodged from that of the equities markets, leading some analysts on crypto Twitter to again call for decoupling. But this all seems a bit premature. As we can see, Bitcoin and the S&P 500 has been flowing pretty steadily together. Will they decouple here in the fourth quarter? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Regardless where one stands on the Bitcoin price decoupling from traditional markets, the digital asset remains one of the top performers for 2020, currently up a whopping 65.4% year to date, as we can see right here. That's right, Bitcoin is the best performing asset class of 2020, up 65% compared to gold, which is up approximately 25%. And obviously, Bitcoin has way more potential to grow. So if you're not hodling BTC, what are you doing in your life? You feel me? Bitcoin's high is now above 12,300, which broke its previous high on September 1st when Bitcoin price formed a tweezer top and corrected 18.5% over the next few days. So naturally, traders have expressed mixed emotions about the price hovering near 12,000 again, especially considering that the last 5 visits to this resistance were followed by sharp sell-offs. So do you feel this could be a bull trap, or do you feel we'll continue climbing higher? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Price action-wise, when an ascending channel trendline is broken near a key resistance level, it's normal for some profit bookend to take place, and this typically results in the price dropping to retest either the ascending channel trendline or a former resistance like 11,900 to determine whether or not buyers remain bullish enough to confirm the level as support. If you ask me, things are looking more bullish than ever. Once again, a new all-time high is likely to occur, in my opinion, sometime here in Q4 of 2020. On the 4-hour time frame, as you can see here on your screen, we can see that this is what occurred as the price dropped to 11,850 as investors pulled into profits. Given the recent importance of the 12,000 level, multiple failed attempts to overcome the resistance or a clear loss of momentum might motivate bearish traders to open short positions from 11,900 to 12,000. This would heighten the possibility of a repeat of the previous sell-offs from 12K. The Bitcoin price has support at the 20 moving average at 11,600 and at the 11,500 and 11,400 level. If the price were to dip below the ascendant channel midline, there is also support at 11,200 and 10,900 over the next day, or some consolidation in the 11,950 to 11,800 zone could lead to the formation of a bull flag or a pennant. So traders could keep an eye on the 4-hour chart and volume across the 1-hour to 4-hour time frame. So it's going to be interesting to watch the Bitcoin price over the course of the next few days, with Bitcoin once again above $12,300, up now almost 5% for the day. How high will the Bitcoin price climb? Will we go to the moon? Will we hit a new all-time high faster than most of us anticipated? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And now for a quick recap of what I covered with you here in today's show. Bitcoin average transaction value increases 500% since July, meaning the average Bitcoin transaction is now worth more than $150,000. That's right. As of October 20th, we're at $151,000 per transfer, representing an increase of more than 500%. Talk about being bullish, with Bitcoin rising $50,000 in the last 48 hours. This is a pretty big deal. Also in today's show, I shared with you the breaking news that PayPal to offer crypto payments starting in 2021, and it's no longer a rumor, but it's been confirmed, as you can see reported by Reuters right here, and Ryan Selkis pointed out PayPal has 346 plus million users. So what do you think is going to happen to the Bitcoin price with massive adoption here to the crypto market? You already know what time it is, fam. Also, we have publicly listed company right here, Mode Global Holdings, just announced it will place 10% of its cash reserves into the king of all crypto as a part of its treasury investment strategy. More bullish news. And of course, we just did some Bitcoin technical analysis. So as you can tell, I'm more bullish than ever. Let me know where you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go from here. Drop me a comment right down below. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and grab your favorite cocktail, and let's watch this BTC go straight to the moon. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, leveraging other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, then smash that link right below this video in the description and register for this free system entitled OPM Wealth. You'll be glad you did, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.